Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and to this video I'm going to show you on how to activate voice to text in Windows 11 laptop. So let's see. All right, so the very first thing you want to do on your Windows keyboard, just press Window and H, and having pressed Window and H, you are going to activate voice to text, just like what you see right here. You can see it right here. And Microsoft Speech Service, voice typing turn your service into text with Microsoft Online Speech. What you need to do is to simply, the next thing you want to do is to simply click on settings right here. So click on settings right here, and then make sure you turn on auto punctuation. Then having turned on the auto punctuation powered by online Microsoft Tech, next thing you want to do is to simply hit on this mic right here. And then when you hit on the mic, click on got it, make sure you connect to internet, and from there you can start to talk. When you talk, it automatically type whatever you are saying in your Windows 11 laptop. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to activate voice to text on Windows 11 laptop. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.